Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password on Walgreens. If you're trying to change your password for Walgreens, then first of all, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in walgreens.com. Once you are logged into your account, go ahead and log into your account, and once you're logged in, click on the human icon at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Your Account. Inside your account, go ahead and mouse over to Profile and click on Sign In and Security. Inside Sign In and Security, click on Username and Password. You can then go ahead and update your username and password both. You can simply go ahead and choose password and type down a new password that you want to change to. After typing down the password, click on Save Changes and you will be able to change your login password for Walgreens. Next time you are trying to log in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.